Hi, good afternoon, Anna.
Hi, Dick.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. What nationality are you?
I'm Chinese.
Do you speak French?
No,
No, I don't.
I don't.
What's your occupation? What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
Are you a professional one?
No.
Okay, you have to learn more. Then you are going to be a professional teacher. Okay. What nationality is he?
He's English.
Can he speak German?
No.
What does he do?
He's
He's a
photographer.
Has he ever been to Sweden?
No.
He has never been there, right? What nationality is she?
She's American.
She's American. Has she ever been to Mexico? Yes, she has. What's she like?
She's kind.
Yeah, what's she like means her personality. Okay, she's kind, friendly. Do you like her?
No.
Your turn. Go.
What nationality are you?
I'm Japanese. Two questions.
What do you do?
I'm a pilot.
Can you drink some water?
Yes, I can. Of course.
What nationality are he?
He's American. What does he do?
What does he do?
He's a mechanic. 解释.
Can he fly?
No, he can't. Okay.
What nationality is he?
She's Russian.俄罗斯人.
What does she do?
What does she do?
What does she do?
She's a housewife.
How old is she?
She's 47. Are you ready for the TPR practice?